Hello and welcome to our Wellness Wednesday series, Healthy Cooking Essentials. My name is Allison Knight and I am the health coach for Employee Health Center. Cooking at home can seem daunting, but in the end it can help you improve your health and also help you save money. In this series we're going to go through a variety of kitchen utensils that you can use to make cooking at home easier. Today's utensil is the Zester. So if you have a box grater that has multi-plane grates and different size grate holes, you don't necessarily need the Zester because you probably already have something that will give you the same effect. However, if you just have, like we do, we just have a single plane grater that has larger holes, it doesn't give you the same effect. So the Zester is great to use to zest citrus fruits like limes, lemons, and oranges to get the fine zest of their skin, and you can add it to your marinades and dressings to give it that citrus kick, and it gives it a little bit more than just the juice alone. It can also be, the zest can also be added to rice or pasta at the last minute to give it that extra bright and zesty flavor. That's the normal thing that you use it for, but the Zester is actually very versatile, and you can also use it to zest hard cheeses like Parmesan for pasta. So grating or zesting your own fresh Parmesan. You can also use it to grate ginger. Mincing ginger can be kind of a task, so you can use it to grate your ginger, and that is great to add to Middle Eastern dishes or to stir fries. You can use it to grate both nutmeg or cinnamon, so you can give a little bit of a kick or flavor to pasta dishes or desserts. And you can even use it to zest chocolate and add that to desserts, or use it as a topping for parfaits or smoothies. So it's a really great option to add a little bit more flavor to your dishes in a little bit more unique way. So if you're looking to add that zesty flavor, or you're looking to add a little bit more fresh spices like cinnamon and nutmeg to your dishes, then I highly recommend getting yourself a Zester. They retail for roughly about $11 to $15, so I wouldn't say they're cheap. They're not necessarily expensive, but they are a tool that we use weekly, multiple times a week for dinner to add flavor. Thank you so much for joining me today, and we will see you next week on Healthy Cooking Essentials.